Today we're going to make Burmese inspired lentil tofu. We're going to begin by cleaning 1 cup of red lentils. And let us soak them in boiling water. We're just soaking, not cooking it yet. Let it cool down. After it comes to room temperature, we're going to grind it into fine paste. Now let us cook this paste by stirring it continuously until we get the texture of mashed potatoes. Do not forget to add salt as per your taste while you're stirring. And transfer it into a heat-proof container and keep it in the refrigerator overnight. The next day we're going to pop it out of the container and cut it into cubes. And that's it. We made protein-rich lentil tofu. Bye!